welcome. What do we have here, love?
A new toy.
Oh, this is the Galactic Express from Hot Wheels. And what else do we have here? We have another toy. What? Today is a lucky day. Can I have a smile?
It has a horse on it.
Can you show me your smile first? Over here, closer. Again. It looks like a car carrier, isn't it? Huh?
It's car.
I like how it looks like. It looks very futuristic. Okay, let's open it.
Look at Bogger. Look at Bogger. Look at Bogger. Look at Bogger.
Look about it. Awesome. Nice. There's more to collect. They have the Rockin' Race, the Rumble Road, Galactic Express, Rig Dog, and Speedway Hauler. This is the car that it came with. This is the
I don't know how to open the door.
Mad Manga. This is called the Mad Manga.
I don't know how to open the door.
Oh, which one?
I get the one with chili and cheese.
I think you open it this one. Wait, let me try. So the back part opens. Let me see the back part. You can put your car in there too. You see how it works? Can you show me how it works?
Put the door.
Oh, it goes up. I think you should put the ramp down too. There's a ramp for that. Awesome. And then it comes up.
And it goes up here.
It looks like a transformer car, huh? It's got horns on this side, on the front. Ooh, I like this one. It's like a Japanese detail on the side. This is a Japanese painting, love. This
is a
wave.
Japanese car too.
Yeah. High five.
This is even Japanese too.
It looks like it. It's like Wingo.
Look.
It has a what?
Look.
Oh, nice. Dada, can we open this one, Dada?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Look, I got you some fruit punch. Look what we have here. We've got the bulldozer and we got a green fire engine, an old school fire truck. Is this a construction truck? It's a yellow truck. Construction, yeah.
Chugga, 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 choo choo.
This is an MBX train. Choo choo. Chugga, 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 chugga. This is it's like a front loader. What is this here?
A mini excavator with tracks.
It's a mini excavator with tracks. Track wheels. And then we have, this is a 3x3. 6x6.
6x6. 3x3.
Oh, police boat.
This is the road mauler.
Let me see the road mauler.
The road mauler.
This is the road mauler.
This is the 0x0.
0x0. This is the MATCHBOX Swisher Motors race car. So many vehicles in this one. Oh, we almost forgot this one. This is a blue sports car. And then we got this beauty here. This one is it's got a Japanese design on it. It's a hauler with a weird front. Is there a car inside? No. Where's? Oh, there's the car for that. Kind of load the car in here.
It's like a car carrier.
Oh, it's like a car carrier. gonna jump and he's gonna fly. Wow, look at this. He's got a weird car. It's got this thing on the bottom here. He's not gonna go over any speed bumps. That's for sure. And then he's got this thing here. This is because you know why he has this unit, because he's gonna transform into a Voltron. And this is foot.